Hey guys, my name is Ethan from CrepePro here, and we're super excited about this video. If you guys are just joining us or you're not familiar, we do a different crepe video every single week. We show you guys how to make it, we show you guys the recipe to make new and interesting crepes every single week, so we're super excited about this one. And this week we actually did a poll. So we had you guys decide which kind of crepes you made. We gave you guys two options, and we had chocolate coconut cream crepes. Try to say that 5 times. And then we have S'mores Crepes. Okay, and S'mores Crepes is barely won. I think it was at 53%, and coconut cream was at 47%, so barely edged them out. For all you who voted for coconut cream, stay tuned. I'm sure we're gonna have a video about that pretty soon here. But this week we have S'mores Crepes, and we're very excited about it. And one thing is what we love to do is we love to have a theme for each of our videos. And our theme this week, and I love it. It's a little bit of a stretch, so bear with me, but it's the s'more tance of kind words. I hope you got that. Just because, kind words are always so important to say the right thing to people and make a big difference. But we're gonna jump right into the video and show you guys kind of what we're using and how it works here. So first we have our batter. This is our normal crepe batter. Recipe and videos are on the website, how to make it. We just put all the ingredients into a blender, blend it all up, let it chill for 30 minutes. Super easy. So there's the batter there we use. We got marshmallows here, graham crackers, and of course the Hershey's chocolate. You can't make s'mores without Hershey's chocolate. And here's the finished crepe that we already made today. It's gorgeous, so that's what we're gonna make it again today. And then again, what we're using today is we have our CrepePro pan. This is actually our larger version. This is the full kit that we're using. It's a little bit of a larger pan, perfect for larger crepes and pizzas in the oven, whatever you need. And then again, we have our T-handle spinner, crepe batter spreader, and our spatula. So we're gonna start with our spreader. One important thing, remember, the key to all crepes: spin to win. Spin to win. So we're gonna spin some crepes here for you guys. Let's see how it goes. So put some batter right in the center. Pretty good amount here. Got a big pan. And we're gonna keep our hand low to it, and we're just gonna spin it around. It's pretty mesmerizing to watch. And remember too, guys, always include like a little bucket of water or a rag just to wipe off the excess batter. That'll help for the rest of the crepes you're spinning, or else it'll clump up and start to tear your crepe. So just wipe it off, leave it off there. And then we'll use our spatula to flip it once it's ready. You'll know when it's ready, you'll see it start to bubble on the sides and it starts getting ready and be nice and cooked, and we'll be ready to flip it. So let's just give it one more minute. And we're gonna go for it. So what we're gonna try to do is just kind of get an edge here. We got a nice one. And then once we get under it, we're just gonna start spinning our spatula. It makes it nice and easy. So we'll just spin it up, pull it up. And then we're gonna put it back down. And once it's on this side, this really takes 5-10 seconds to cook, super quick, because it's already mostly cooked. And what I like to do when I want to fill it is we'll flip it back over, because I think this is the prettier side. So I like to fill it on the side that isn't as pretty. And so we're gonna go ahead and start filling it here. And we're gonna do it all right on the pan, so everything cooks together and it gets melted, and so super. We'll just do 5 Hershey's squares here, right in the center. And then we're gonna add some marshmallows. Pretty generous amount of marshmallows. I got a straggler, got a runner. Perfect. And then we're gonna add our graham cracker. I don't know if I mentioned this easy way to crush this graham cracker. Just put it into a little Ziploc bag and then seal it up, get a spoon, smash it. Makes it really nice powder, and it's super easy to clean up. Okay, so we got this going well together. This is our filling, and there's tons of different ways to fold your crepes or to roll them up. A lot of times what you'll see at creperies will fold it in half and they'll fold it into thirds. We like to do that as well, but for this one, we're actually we're gonna roll it. So we're gonna seal the top up so that nothing spills out for both ends. So just seal that, and then we're gonna pull this side up and we're just gonna roll it. Just like that. Perfect. And then we're just gonna pull it. Okay. Just tighten that up a little bit. All right. And so, of course, what you always have at the end whenever you're making sweet crepes, top it with that chocolate drizzle. We got some Nutella, melted Nutella here. And so we're just gonna do a nice chocolate drizzle. Perfect. And then for this one, we'll just use our remaining graham cracker. We'll put that on top. Makes it really nice to look at. Alrighty, there it is, guys. So we have our s'mores crepes all done. Super delicious. Give them a try. Tell us what you think about it. And if you guys haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel. The YouTube videos are going to look a little nicer the videos on YouTube are going to look a little nicer. So please subscribe, give us a like, share our videos. We love it, and we're excited to have you guys here to keep watching. Thanks, guys.